What if you want an SUV that gives you luxury, performance, technology, and practicality, all in one package? Meet the BMW X5. The X5 has been one of BMW's most iconic SUVs for years, and the latest version takes things to another level. It's bold, powerful, and packed with premium features that make every drive feel special. But is it worth the premium price? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the design. The BMW X5 looks aggressive yet elegant. Up front, you get BMW's signature kidney grille, sleek adaptive LED headlights, and a muscular front bumper that gives it a commanding road presence. From the side, the proportions are perfect: strong shoulder lines, stylish alloy wheels, and a sporty SUV stance. At the rear, the LED taillights and dual exhaust setup give it a premium and sporty finish. This SUV definitely turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and this is where the X5 truly shines. The cabin feels modern, luxurious, and incredibly premium. You'll find high-quality leather, soft touch materials, and elegant ambient lighting. The curved display is one of the highlights. It combines a digital instrument cluster with a large infotainment screen, giving the cabin a futuristic feel. BMW's iDrive system is smooth, responsive, and loaded with smart features. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium sound system, panoramic sunroof, multi-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats. Comfort is excellent, whether you're driving or sitting in the rear seats. And yes, cargo space is impressive too, making the X5 practical for daily use and long road trips. Now let's talk about performance, because this is still a BMW. The X5 offers multiple engine options depending on the market, including powerful petrol, diesel, and plug-in hybrid variants. Performance is smooth, refined, and powerful. Acceleration feels quick, and the power delivery is effortless. Whether you're cruising on highways or driving through city traffic, the X5 feels confident and responsive. The suspension strikes a great balance between comfort and sportiness. And thanks to BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, grip and stability remain excellent in different road conditions. For an SUV of this size, the handling is surprisingly impressive. So, should you buy the BMW X5? If you want a luxury SUV that delivers premium comfort, strong performance, advanced technology, and everyday practicality, the BMW X5 is easily one of the best in its segment. It's refined enough for family duties, yet sporty enough to remind you it's still a BMW. The X5 proves that you really can have the best of both worlds. So, what do you think about the BMW X5? Would you choose this over rivals like the Mercedes-Benz GLE or Audi Q7? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content.